How to enable margin investing in Robinhood. In this video, I'll show you how to enable margin trading on Robinhood step by step. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Robinhood on your phone. If you are iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and if you are Android user, you can download it from Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open Robinhood app. Now make sure to log into your account. After you log into your account, tap on profile icon which is on bottom right corner. Scroll down and tap on Robinhood Gold. Margin trading is a feature that comes with Gold. If you are not already subscribed, you will need to sign up. It costs $5 per month and gives you access to margin investing, level 2 data and more. Once you are subscribed, go to settings, which is on the top left corner, and go to investing and margin investing and toggle the switch on to enable it, and that's it. This is how you can enable margin on Robinhood. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.